Friends, ang VOL ay bagay sa isang klase ng tao lang. Alright mga friends, may dalawang defining characteristics tong person na to, no? So una is, nahirapan siya mag-save for long-term goals, okay? This is usually because of two things, no? It's either hindi niya naging habit yung mag-save, okay? O kaya naman siya yung main breadwinner, no? And lahat ng gastos nagagaling sa kanya, okay? So understandably, how much na lang talaga yung naitatabi niya for their own for their long-term goals. Okay? Yung pangalawang defining characteristic ng mga friends, okay, is they have at least 10 years. Okay? Of course, the more decades, okay, the more years they have, the more they can grow and save their money. Di ba mga friends? So, bakit BUL yung parang suggestion for this person's problem, okay? Basically, a VUL, paano ko explain? Sinet up siya to discourage the person from withdrawing up to a particular time, okay? So usually, hanggang hanggang matapos yung paying period, okay? So what does this mean kung before pa matapos yung paying period, mag-withdraw na siya, no? Usually, meron tong unreasonable withdrawal charges, okay? And typically then, it takes, 5 to 10 business days para lang mag-withdraw. Okay? So, ayun na, dahil sa mataas yung charge kung mag-withdraw ka before yung, yung matapos yung paying period, tapos ang tagal din maka-withdraw, okay? Naturally, madi-discourage ka talaga. Tapos, yung side effect nun, or yung effect nun rather is, hindi mo nagagalaw yung pera mo and dahan-dahang tumutubo, okay? Slowly but surely, it's growing. Diba mga friends? A VUL also has the longest paying period, okay? Of course, this assumes 10 years kasi, yung gaya nung nasabi na prerequisite ko kanina, okay? At least 10 years yung niya. Or meron siya at least 10 years to be able to achieve his long-term goal nga, diba? So, yeah. I-set up natin tong VUL na to, no? For this person, okay? So, meron tayong tatlong important, how do you say this? Parts, okay? For the VUL. Yung una is auto-charge na setup, mga friends, no? Pag auto-charge, okay, whether it's monthly or quarterly, okay, or annually or semi-annual. Of course, auto-charge, either auto-debit, okay, sa bangko niya. Or, actually, pwede mo rin siya i-set up sa mo. If you have the banking app of your bank, okay, pwede mo siya i-set up parang automatic billing or automatic pay the bills, okay. So, before mo pa withdrawan yung bank account mo for whatever expenses you have to pay, bayad na yung VUL mo, meron ka nang naitabi. Di ba, mga friends? Yung pangalawang part na tong VUL na to, mga friends, is at least 10 years nga. Okay? So, dahil nga na-mention ko, meron siya at least 10 years to achieve their goal. Okay? Of course, gagawin natin minimum is 10 years siya nagbabayad for the plan. Of course, the longer the paying period, it'll be cheaper. Alright? Pero yeah, at least 10 years. Ang rin dito sa VUL, mga friends, kung at least 10 years nga yung VUL, VUL has the siguro longest holding period, okay, of most assets here. Siguro apart from yung mga condos na you're gonna have to pay for at least 50 years or how many decades, okay. Pero pag sa VUL naman, kasi nga dito forced savings, di ba? Yung longest or next longest na asset is yung MP2, okay, which is 5 years, 5 years yung naka-hold, no? Tapos, yung masaklap pa doon is MP2 or Pag-ibig will parang hanggang 5 years lang papatubuin yung pera mo. Hindi nila ipapatuloy yun. Pwede mong parang park lang doon yung pera mo, pero hindi yung tutubo. Kung gusto mo siyang tumubo ulit, i-withdraw mo yun, tapos i-open another account, tapos reinvest mo yung previous mo, okay? Tapos yung pangatlong trait naman for this VUL, no, is i-invest tayo yung mga mutual fund na low but safe na ROI, okay? Kasi when we invest in a equity fund, okay, yung mga higher risk na investments or funds, hindi natin alam kailan yung market, okay, kailan mag-down, kailan mag-up, okay? So, mas okay na yung slow but steady na ipon ba compared sa parang bursts, okay? Pero baka mag-timing na when it's it's a bear market, okay? Malaki rin yung na or ano ko kasi hindi ganun kalaki yung naipon mo ba, okay? Or yung parang naipon mo kasi nga the market is down. Di ba mga friends? So yun lang. Yun yung suggestion ko, no? Ito yung advice ko for setting up a VUL, okay? So, a VUL is for a very particular person, okay? Na nahirapan mag-save for long-term goals. Tapos of course, they have at least 10 years to achieve that goal, okay? Tapos a VUL is basically set up to be a forced savings na plan, no? Tapos, sinet up na niyo siya na auto-charge, okay? Tapos, it matches the time horizon nung person niya. Tapos, nag-invest tayo in a low but safe na ROI na fund for the VUL. Alright mga friends, so yun lang. I hope may na-learn kayo, no? I hope this sheds light in how VUL works and para kanino nga ba talaga to. Alright mga friends, thank you for watching as always mga friends, no? Okay, subscribe or follow my page, okay? Insta, FB, TikTok, YouTube. Alright mga friends, tapos yun, kita-kits sa susunod.